Oh my goodness, it is so hot. You guys have just finished. So I look halfway decent, but I just finished my last workout for today. My last 30-minute workout for today. I have hit my 10,000 step goal. I had some good nutritious meals today. My first meal today, I believe, was keto tacos. That's what I had. And I had a large salad because I woke up this morning with some super cramps that was in my foot, first in my leg, and it went down to my foot. And I mean, it crumpled my toes over like this where I couldn't move. And my foot was just straight with crumpled over toes. That has never, ever happened to me before. I immediately knew that it was my electrolytes being deficient. So I got up and I started, I drank some apple cider vinegar with some lemon juice and a little bit of Himalayan pink salt. And I just started working on replenishing my electrolytes. I decided to have a large salad. So that way I was getting my potassium, magnesium, phosphorus, and some other vital nutrients and minerals that were needed. I am going to share with you the picture of my the cramps because I was able to take a picture of my foot when it was crumpled over. I wish I would have got a better one. And then also when it released. And I mean, I have never felt pain like that as far as a cramp. It really did scare me. So I just wanted to hop on here to say that day 5 and day 6 went great as far as my 75-day, I call it soft to hard challenge, because I've just been working on getting in the workouts. And so I have been able to do that where I'm having almost 2 45-minute workouts a day. And so I am working my way to the 75 hard challenge. Anyhow, if you are doing the 75 hard challenge, this is all basically about discipline and consistency. Discipline and consistency. I'm really enjoying it. Like I say, this is day 6 for me, day number 6 for me on the challenge. So I hope that you're having some good results on your challenge, and I will see you the next time.